Hello lovely people, welcome back to Live Life Lovely. Today I am sharing my fall coffee and snack bar. It has a country feel to it and it is a hit with my kids. All these items were either purchased from the thrift store, the dollar store, or reused from last year. This is a quick look at how I put everything together, and oh what fun it was. When I opened this, it smells so good. This tea came from a friend of mine who gave it to me as a gift from overseas. This container came from Dollar General, and these cookies as well. They're leaf-shaped cookies and they're maple flavor cookies, and I thought they were perfect for the theme of our coffee/snack bar. These candies also came from Dollar General, and the colors are fall colors. These are like the Reese's Cups, and these are pecan swirls, which go well with any drink on this station: hot chocolate, tea, or coffee. This little guy, along with this base and potpourri, came from Dollar Tree, so I decorated the bar with that. This oversized mug came from Target last year, and I think it's so cute, and I love pumpkin spice. And this metal decor came from Dollar General. This decorative tree is right next to my coffee bar/snack bar, so I just decorated it with some mesh and some beautiful ornaments. This one came from the Dollar Tree. The acorns came from Pier 1, and this heart right here was gifted to me. Of course, I have to have some Live Life Lovely represent, but I love these ornaments, and they do a great job of making the look complete, and I have lights on the tree as well at night. And that's it, guys. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.